Guys, a day in life as a content creator, and today isi-share ko sa inyo ang aking skincare go. So this is the Jewel Shine by Jewel Skin. Nakaka-glass skin siya guys, plus mild rejuvenating set lang siya. Hindi siya katulad ng ibang rejuvenating set na sobrang hapde. So first step is to cleanse your face using the Jewel Shine Beauty Bar Soap. So this step guys help to remove dirt, oil, makeup, and other impurities that accumulate on your skin throughout the day or night. And it has ingredients like coconut oil, enriching goat milk extract, and revitalizing papaya fruit extract. So step 2, after cleansing, use the Jewel Shine Toner. That is to help to balance your skin pH level. Also, this will help your skin to absorb moisture and tightens your pores. It has ingredients like witch hazel extract, castor oil, and niacinamide. Step 3, using the Jewel Shine Serum. It hydrates the skin and prevents scars and blemishes. Also, it minimizes the breakouts and protect your skin from the free radicals. As it crafted to rejuvenate and illuminate your skin, revealing a natural and captivating glow. Next, we have this two cream, the Jewel Shine Day Cream and the Jewel Shine Night Cream. First, the Jewel Day Cream helps to keep your skin hydrated, soft, and protected all throughout the day. And the Jewel Shine Night Cream that provide hydration and nourishment, and also to repair your skin. Plus, it supports your nighttime skincare needs alongside your daytime routine. So umaga ngayon gagamitin ko yung day cream. It's gardening your skin region. It helps to shield your skin from the harmful effect of UV rays. Also, it has niacinamide that anti-acne, pore refining, and whitening. So it has beeswax, soothing and healing, anti-inflammatory. Lastly, it has mango seeds butter. Can help to moisturize. Also, it has antioxidant plus collagen stimulating. So what are you waiting for? Try this Jewel Shine by Jewel Skin. Your journey to a brighter skin starts now.